Hey everyone, welcome back to the next core Java tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to install a Java IDE. We'll be installing Eclipse IDE, so let's get started. Open your browser, type Eclipse IDE in the address bar and navigate to the official Eclipse website as shown. Now click the download button. On the next page, scroll down and select your operating system for the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers. Click the download button again and wait for the file to finish downloading. Make sure you have a file extraction tool like WinRAR installed on your system to extract the files. Now extract the files from the downloaded zip folder. Once done, open the Eclipse folder and click on the Eclipse application to start the installation process. The installation time may vary depending on your computer, so please wait until the process is complete. Next, Eclipse will ask you to select a folder where your Java projects will be saved. You can either use the default location or choose a custom path. In this example, I'm creating a new folder in the E drive and selecting it as the workspace. Now in Eclipse, we need to create a new Java project. You can name the project anything you like. I'm naming the project my Java project. After that, click the next button and finally click finish to complete the project creation process. Now expand the project we just created and inside the src folder, delete the module info.java file. Now we need to create a package. Right click on the src folder, then select new and choose package. You can give the package any name. Here I'm naming it my pack. Once done, click the finish button. Next, we need to create a class. Right click on the src folder again, select new and then choose class. You can name the class anything you like. Here, I'm naming it my Java class. Make sure to check the option to include the public static void main, then click finish. Now let's rewrite the same program in Eclipse that we previously wrote in Notepad. In an IDE like Eclipse, we don't need to run separate commands to compile the code. Simply press the Run button and it will automatically compile and execute the program. The output will be displayed in the console at the bottom. Let's write another program where we calculate the sum of two numbers. We'll take two variables, integer a and b, assign them static values, and store the result in another integer c. Finally, we'll print the value using the system.out.print command. In our next video, we'll learn about Java escape sequences. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future lessons. See you in the next video.